First, take a clean pot and some white vinegar. Put some vinegar in the pot to clean it. Rinse it with some water in it just to make sure there are no particles or anything attached in the pot. Then put 8 cups of water. Boil it. When it comes to boil, put 3 tablespoons of green tea leaves. I prefer to use leaves instead of the tea bags. Turn off the stove and let the tea leaves simmer. Now you move the pot somewhere on the side and let the tea cool down to room temperature. Then you take a jar, a gallon jar, SCOBY, and some white vinegar. You also add 1 cup of sugar in the green tea. Now strain it and put the tea in the gallon jar. Now put 8 more cups of room temperature water. And now you put the SCOBY into the jar. And add 2 cups of kombucha into the jar. And then you cover it up with the coffee filter and put it away for 6 days. Alright, so it's been about 7 to 8 days, and this is what it looks like. This is all SCOBY. Has fermented. Now let's test what it tastes like. Oh, hold on. Can't do it. Don't touch anything. Don't touch the SCOBY. Let's test the taste. It's a little bit sweet. It's kind of sour. It can go on for longer, but I think I'll take it out now. Okay? So this bowl, this is vinegar. You need to clean the glass bowl with vinegar. Don't use any water. Okay? And then sanitize your hands with vinegar too. Okay? Because this jar we're going to use to store our SCOBY. Take out the vinegar with your clean hands. Take out the SCOBY and put it in here. So this was the original SCOBY, and this layer is all it's new. Okay, now in order to store it, we're gonna put a little bit of kombucha in here so it can still keep growing, and we can use this for a second batch.